Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to deactivate your Facebook account. Friends, sometimes for various reasons we want to deactivate our Facebook account, but some of us we don't know how we can deactivate our Facebook account. So in this video I'll show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Friends, first you have to open your Facebook account. After that you'll find the interface like that, right? Then you tap on the menu options at the top right corner here on the picture, right? After that, my friends, you have to tap on the gear options at the top right corner beside of the search, right? Just tap on here on the settings option. Then on the account center, you'll find here see more in account center, right? Just tap on here. And from lots of options, you have to tap on personal details. Then you have to tap on account ownership and control. After that, you have to tap on deactivation or deletion. Just tap on forward sign. Select your Facebook account. And see, deactivate account is automatically selected. Just tap on continue. Friends, as shown, if I want to deactivate my Facebook account, also there is some pages. That pages also will be deactivated. So I'll deactivate also these pages. So tap on continue. Now my friends, you have to enter your Facebook password to confirm that you are the owner and you are willingly doing deactivate your Facebook account, right? So after entering the password, you have to tap on continue here, my friends, right? And maybe you have to select some criteria why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So you have to select that one. After that, you have to tap on continue, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can deactivate your Facebook account. Friends, to deactivate your Facebook account, if you have any questions about this topic, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.